Welcome everyone, today we're drawing the elf on the shelf. Let's begin today's drawing in the center of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left. We're going to start from the very top, come all the way down toward the bottom, and then back up. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. And we'll draw a smaller circle along the bottom right. Now I'm going to fill the inside of the eyes in black. Let's move in between the eyes and draw in the mouth with a curve coming down and then up. And then we'll go up and draw a straight line going across the bottom edge of the hat. And we'll connect the ends with a half circle, coming down, across, and then back up. Let's give him some ears with a curve, coming around and then back in. And I'll add some hair in the center, starting from the left, come across, and then bend that back up. Let's draw two lines going up the side of the hat. And we'll flatten off the top. And then from the top corners, we're going to angle this up and in towards the center point. Now let's go back to the center and draw in a V at the bottom of the collar. Go straight out along the sides. And I'll angle this back up and in underneath the head. Let's draw two straight lines coming down the side of the body, coming all the way down towards the bottom of the feet. Round out the bottom, come up and in toward the center. And then from the middle, go straight up towards the top. Round out the knees and then come down towards the side. Let's separate the bottom of the feet with a straight line. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw in the arms. We're going to angle this down and then out. Round out the hands, pull that back in towards the side. Separate the wrist with an angled line. And then we'll place the shelf in behind the body. Let's start on the left. Go straight out. Line it up on the right. Come down the sides. And then we'll close this off. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And there's a cute cartoon drawing of the elf on the shelf. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.